Hey, everybody. One of the things people love about QuickBooks is that you don't usually have to use journal entries. You know, those debits and credits you had to learn in some basic accounting course somewhere that can get really confusing when you don't use them all the time. Usually, you can just enter things into the registers for their various accounts. And so, since you most often use your checking account or some other cash account, it's pretty easy to just enter all of your expenses and your revenues into the system and never have to make a journal entry. But every once in a while, you do have to make a journal entry, or something comes up where that would be the best and easiest way to enter a transaction. So I just wanted to do a quick video to show you how to do that if you have to. So to create a new journal entry in QuickBooks, you just click on New, and then you go over to the other column and click Journal Entry. And then it already does the date and everything for you. So then you just choose the accounts you're entering. So in this example, I'm going to pretend that I am entering my depreciation entry in for my truck. And so I'm just going to come here and I'm going to type depreciation expense. So I'm going to look for depreciation and other expense, because increasing an expense is a debit. Okay. And then I'm going to type in depreciation again. Whoops. And I'll see I have a depreciation that's the sub account for my truck. I have another video that shows how to track depreciation on fixed assets, and I'll put a link to that down in the description. Anyway, so then we just put the amount we're going to debit and the amount we're going to credit. In this case, often you'll have your accountant or somebody figure out how much depreciation you're going to use. And then if you're doing straight line, you'll just do the same amount each year. And so you'll go in and just do the same entry. So I'm just going to pretend that I'm doing a depreciation of $1,200. So I debit the depreciation expense and I credit the depreciation asset account, sub account for my asset truck. And there we go. That's it. I can put a description. I can put a memo. It's always a good idea if you are going to review something with your accountant to put a memo, something that you can remember why you entered that transaction. And that's it. I'll also put a link to another video where we talk a little bit more about how to create a journal entry and how the whole debits and credits system works. I'm guessing many of you had learned that in the past, but don't use it that often. So I'll have that there for you if you want it. Anyway, I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions, don't be afraid to put them down in the comments, and I'll do my best to answer. And also, please, if you're willing, like or share or subscribe to the channel. That just gets this out so that more people can see it. Anyway, have a great day, and I hope it was useful to you.